Prajwal.
Well, the referees are ready and they are waiting the teams. Basin boys are already on the field. Hakka Bakka posing for a photograph. And we are about to start the first match of the seniors open category between Basin boys and Hakka Bakka. Hakka Bakka, for your information, is the home team of Jesus Art Foundation. All very senior, hardened players. And there they enter.
Jesus Foundation 3-day tournament. We got sponsors, that is Prakash Rodrigues, Wellspun Foundation, Basin Catholic Cooperative Bank Limited, Manikpur Urban Cooperative, Credit Society Limited, Mr. Dinesh Pariyar, Mr. Vijay Govind Patil, Mendonca, Farmstay, Under the Sky by Disa Farms, Manco iSpace, Mr. Rohan Menezes, Viva Holdings and Homes, Hotel Shiv Krupa, Hotel Haridwar, Tipsy Panda, Pink Salt Cafe, Uptown Cafe, V Delivers, Omicron, Sugna Farms, Vika Chicken Center, Vijay Builders, Velankani Cooperative Credit Society Limited, Mr. Nicholas Almeida, Mr. Sachin Gharat, Mr. P. V. K. Nambiar, Mr. Ruma Patel, Mr. Rakesh De Silva, Silva Construction, JC Fabricators, OHS Engineering, PhysioFit, Earth Fitness, Ugam Electricals, Raj Enterprises, Unifab Corporation, Carmel Classes, Mr. Satej Menezes, Tender and Spice, Lloyd Almeida, James Almeida, Hillview Village Resorts, Kamath Wines, Victor Traders, Leo Oxygen, Quality Ceramic. We are thankful for all our sponsors for supporting us for this year, and all the coming years have been supporting the football tournament, for which we are very thankful for them.
So the first match of the open category between Hakka Bakka and Basin boys is about to begin right now, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to watch it live on YouTube, please check this board out here. All you have to do is scan the code. Scan the code, like our page, subscribe. 10 IPL tickets. देर करोगे तो समस्या हो जाएगी विकट और बिक जाएगा आईपीएल का टिकट। तो जल्दी से जल्दी स्कैन करिए, लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, यूट्यूब पे देखिए। 3 दिन का फुटबॉल फेस्टिवल है यहाँ हमारे YMCA ग्राउंड पे।
About to start the match.
ओके
And there goes the whistle. And
Sydney.
Baseen boys in the red.
Rodney.
Akka Bakka in blue.
To the left and to the Rodney. इसको भी ले, सबको ले।
Things are getting excited. Baseen boys still
Johan.
in control of the ball, and Akka Bakka clear the ball.
जोड़ ले सबको। ये भी कौन है टोपी वाला?
Baseen boys once again in the open category.
Thank you.
After this match, we have the finals of the under-12. Baseen boys. Well, he could not find his man. The ball goes out. Throw in for Akka Bakka. Baseen boys. Total control of the ball, not losing possession. And there's a kick, no power in that one. Akka Bakka easily collects it, and the ball goes into the penalty area of Baseen boys, collected by the goalkeeper. That's a lovely throw. Baseen boys couldn't make much out of it. Ball goes out of play. Throw in for Baseen boys. Baseen boys looking very confident. That's a nice throw. Into the penalty area. There's a man there, and it goes over the crossbar.
So this is the open category first match between Hakka boys versus Baseen boys, and everyone looking bright out there. Look out for the player with jersey number 2, and we've got jersey number 18, jersey number 19, jersey number 11, all playing for the while. Going from the left flank is Prakash Joseph Mary Almeida. They're doing fabulous for his team. We've got Paul Menezes dominating the game. 80% position of the game. We have Akka Bakka out there, and Baseen boys looking for that space. So that's the match happening at YMCA.
Baseen boys once again into the penalty area. Well collected by the goalkeeper. Baseen boys once again on the left wing. Crosses it inside. Baseen boys once again. Baseen boys. Well, that's a good crack on the goal, and it's inside. It's inside. Baseen boys have scored a goal. That was a very beautiful reverse banana, as you call. The goalkeeper could not reach out. And Baseen boys leading by 1 goal. Akka Bakka in desperation try to start the game with a direct kick into the goal, but well, it goes wide. Baseen boys once again. That was a wrong pass. Akka Bakka, can they do something? Oh, there is a little bit of pushing, pulling, and the goalkeeper is still on the ground.
So as of now, Baseen boys leading 1-0.
Well, he's back on his feet
Akka Bakka
again.
boys yet to look at the pocket.
Well, the game goes on. Baseen boys once again in position. Akka Bakka. Oh, that was wide. No direction to that kick. Goal kick for Baseen boys. Baseen boys once again on the attack. Akka Bakka. Akka Bakka have got a chance. Well, the goalkeeper makes a dash for it, clears the ball. Right over Baseen boys. There's only one forward on the left, but he has been tackled by the Akka Bakka defense. Ball goes out of play. Throw in. Throw in for Akka Bakka. Once again, Baseen boys, nice heading. Well, not a very accurate pass. Akka Bakka once again in position. Baseen boys onto the left. Baseen boys once again onto the left. It's inside, it's very close, can be dangerous. That's a good pass. Akka Bakka defense, very alert, marking each and every man. That could have been dangerous. There was a man there, but the goalkeeper collected it. Baseen boys once again onto the right wing. Baseen boys. Well, that was nicely stopped by the Akka Bakka defense. Baseen boys once again. That's an opportunity. That's a nice crack, deflected off the feet of the Akka Bakka defense. Corner kick to Baseen boys. One, two, three red shirts in the penalty area.
As of now, Baseen boys dominating the game, 80% position out there, and
That was a short pass.
Manikpur.
And it is another one.
Yes,
They have put in another one.
jersey number
There was nobody
17.
marking number 17. 3 players, 3 defenders marking nobody, just standing idle. Well, Baseen boys made no mistake. It was a very good one. Baseen boys lead by 2. Akka Bakka will have to pull up their socks. The defense is more confused. They make a change. In the very first half, Akka Bakka conceding 2 goals. Getting more aggressive. Baseen boys once again on the attack. There they are. Well, it goes out of play. Goal kick. Akka Bakka. Well, he has lost the ball. Akka Bakka once again. There is an opportunity.
That was a good try there by Captain Paul Menezes. And ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking out for some sneaky studs, we've got a counter left to my left out there. This one gentleman selling lovely studs with a humble discount. So please proceed and patronize the stall. And not to forget Trinity Foods and Granny's Kitchen. They're serving you vada pav as well as of now.
Hakka Bakka. Baseen Boys once again. And he has taken a shot. There is a player there. And the goalkeeper slips but manages to recover his balance and collects the balls very beautifully. And that's the end of the first half. Baseen Boys leading by 2-0. And there is some discussion going on between the referee and the Hakka Bakka players.
Okay, the under 12 V United versus Manikpuri. Be ready after this second half. It's going to be the finale of the first time ever held under 12 tournament out here at YMCA ground. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget you hungry souls and quick bites. Trinity Foods serving you patties pav, keema pav, tita kaliji pav, cold drinks and water. Granny's Kitchen serving you chicken keema pav, chicken chili, vada pav, pork roast. Please proceed, and this banner here, that will give you 10 IPL tickets. What do you have to do? You just scan the code, like us, subscribe us on Insta, and watch the live match on YouTube. Enjoy. Yeah, DJ. Back to the action, Hakka Boys versus Baseen Boys, and Hakka Boys down 2-0. And that was a nice try, a long try, and this gonna be dangerous. It's the first corner, I believe. Yeah, the first corner awarded to Hakka Boys, and the captain himself, Paul Menezes, is gonna take a try. We got almost half a dozen Hakka Boys players in the D there. Wait for the referee's decision. A lovely through ball there. That's a nice ball, gonna be dangerous. Using both the fates is jersey number 2. Aggressive match happening out here. Vying for the ball is Hakka Bakka Boys this time. But leading by 2-0 is Baseen Boys. पूरा स्टेडियम खामोश उस घड़ी का इंतजार है, लेकिन गेम बहुत ही बेकरार है. Moving on the left flank is Paul there. Looking for Prakash. Prakash giving it to Brian. Brian stretching Spectra wide but not managing to hold the ball. And ball in the position of Baseen Boys this time. They've already scored 2. They are taking it cool and calm. Moving is on the left flank, jersey number 17, a nice left footer there. On the flank is Raja, the defender, safe into the hands of Brian. Left, right, and that gonna be dangerous this time. What a lovely pass there by Prakash Almeida, but well intercepted there by jersey number 17. For a throw-in. All eyes in the opponent. Long header and a lovely try by Larson there, but koi farak nahi albatta. Ball going just past the sidebar. On the move is Basin Boys this time. Looking for that player in place. Braven in charge, got a lovely speed. Let's see what he does. On the move again. Oh, lovely through pass there, and just an inch away, but already 2-0 is Paul. Can he do the captain innings there? On the move is Basin Boys this time. Cutting 1, cutting 2, beating 1, beating 2, and safe in the hands of Brian, the goalkeeper. A long kick this time. Wow, lovely skit header by Pakia there. Ball moving from the left to the right, to the right to the left, to the center, and all in vain. This time it's gone in from the left flank. Basin Boys targeting, looking for that 1 inch which is gonna be moving ahead, and this is on the target this time, and yes it is. 3-0 is Basin Boys. Hakabaka yet looking out for that small pocket. Tighten your socks, Hakabaka. Here we go, Mujoy.
Well, Hakabaka in big trouble. They have got just minutes. Basin Boys really doing very well. Very nicely building up the attack. Hakabaka defense. Oh, that's directly into the goal. A kind of a toe kick with no direction. Throw in for Basin Boys. Oh, the game is getting little aggressive. Pushing. Referee blows the whistle. Free kick for Basin Boys. Basin Boys once again. Hakabaka taking no chances. All of them in their own half. Basin Boys once again. There's an attack, but it is headed safely outside. Throw in for Hakabaka. Basin Boys once again. Okay, there's a chance, but well, it was blocked by the Basin Boys. Basin Boys once again onto the attack. They have no player there. One man running after the ball, but it goes out of play. Throw in Basin Boys. Nicely collected. There is an opportunity. He takes a crack, but it's wide away. He could have easily taken the ball. There were no defenders in the penalty area. Well, a goal kick. That's dangerous play. That is dangerous play. And referee shows the yellow card. The first yellow card of this game, of this open category match. First yellow card of the tournament given to Baseen boys. Free kick to Hakka Bakka. That's right, inside. Nobody to take it. Headed by the Baseen boys. Baseen boys. Still in control. Throw in. Hakka Bakka. Hakka Bakka. They lose the ball to Baseen boys. Baseen boys once again. Well, that ball. Kick back to the goalie. Baseen boys. Well, they can afford to take this type of risk because they are leading by 3 goals. Still want to score more goals. Hakka Bakka in a very desperate position. Baseen boys once again. An opportunity once more. The Baseen boys nicely spread out all over the field. They can really easily pick their own players and make a good attack. Hakka Bakka once again. There's an opportunity for Hakka Bakka. And well, absolutely missed the best and the only opportunity they got. And that's the end of the game. And Hakka Bakka has lost by 3 goals to nil. Baseen boys winner of this game, the first game in the open category.
What a loss that is. 3 goals to nil as Hakka boys, Baseen boys moving ahead. And this is going to be the finale of the under-12 tournament between V United versus Manikpur Ye. Both teams, please come on the ground. Referees to please take charge and start the match as soon as possible. Promising player of Hakka Bakka, Swapnil was. I request Clive Dissa, the owner of Pink Salt Cafe, to please come forward and do the honors of giving the award for the promising player. Swapnil. Swapnil.